Good morning.
Good morning, teacher.
Good morning, teacher.
Good morning.
How are you, teacher?
Good morning, parents, and good morning, students. Welcome you all. I hope you all can hear me. If yes, write Y in the chat box. Okay, thank you so much for your responses, parents and students. So, today our lecture is English. Okay, today we are going to learn English subject. But we will just revise 2 alphabets which we have learned at the last lecture. Okay, last lecture में हम लोगों ने क्या learn किए वो हम लोग देखेंगे अभी. Okay, you have to write the letter which I am writing. Wait a second. Yes. Now you can unmute yourself and answer me. When I will write the letters on the board, then only you have to reply me. Okay, students? Now see here. Which letter? Yes, which letter? P. Yes. What is the sound of letter P? P. क्या है letter P का sound? P. Yes. P. Pencil. Okay. Yes. Now I will write the another letter. Which letter? Letter Q. What is the sound of letter Q? Yes. Qu. Qu. Yes. Very good. Qu. Yes. Thank you so much for your response. Thank you parents and thank you students. Now you have to unmute yourself. Okay, आप सबको अभी म्यूट करना है. अभी टीचर आपको कुछ ऑब्जेक्ट्स दिखाएंगे तो उसके रिगार्डिंग हम लोग नेक्स्ट टॉपिक देखेंगे. Okay, now you have to recognize it. What teacher is showing you. Okay, you will like all that thing. Yes, see. What you can see? क्या ये? Rabbit. Yes, rabbit. Yes, you like this? आपको पसंद है?
R for rabbit.
R for rabbit. Yes. So R for rabbit हो गया हमारा. Now see what I am showing to you. See this. What you can see? Strawberry. Yes, strawberry. And this? What you can see?
Strawberry.
ये क्या है?
Spoon.
Spoon. तो ये किससे आता है?
Spoon.
S for spoon and S for strawberry. Yes. Now one more thing I will going to show you. See?
Strawberry.
See here.
Teddy bear.
What is this? Teddy. Yes. T for teddy. Yes. T for teddy. Yes. Say hello. Say hello to teddy.
Hello.
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 Yes. So yes. Now very good, very good. Now you all have to mute yourself. Okay? अभी आप सबको म्यूट करना है. Very good students. मेरे बच्चे बहुत अच्छे हैं ना? Okay. So today we are going to learn the letter R, S and T. Okay, and the sounds of that letter, the pictures of that letter. Okay, now I am sharing my screen to you all. Wait a second. Okay, so which letters we are going to see here? R, S and T. Okay, and the sounds of that letter. Now I have shown you objects. अभी टीचर ने आपको कुछ ऑब्जेक्ट है, rabbit, strawberry, spoon and teddy bear. Yes. So we will see some more objects related to letter R, S and T and the sounds of that letter. Okay. उसके sounds भी देखेंगे आज हम लोग. Yes. See here, what you can see? Letter R. Yes, the sound of letter R is R. How to do? R. Karo. R. R. Rat. R. R. Rat. Here you can see rat. Yes, आपको rat दिखाई दे रहा है? Yes, you can see. Here. Yes or no? Here you can see rat. See? R. R. Rat. Yes. So, now, which picture is next? Rabbit. Rabbit. Yes. Teacher ने अभी आपको rabbit दिखा है? Yes. So, the next picture is rain. Rain. Now, which season is going on? बारिश होती है ना बाहर? Yes. तो उसे क्या बोलते हैं? Rain. Rain. R for rain. Okay. Now see here. What you can see? Yes, rainbow. In the rainy season only the rainbow comes. Rainbow आता है ना rainy season में? Yes. So what is the sound of R? Yes. R. How to do? R. आप लोग गाड़ी चलाते हो ब्रूम ब्रूम करके? Yes. तो इसी तरीके से आपको R का साउंड निकालना है. R. Now here you can see rose. Yes. R for rose. What is the sound? R. Okay. Now we will see which is this picture. Yes. Rocket. Yes or no? Rocket. What is the sound? R. Yes, you have to repeat. Repeat behind me. R. Okay. Now, what is this? See? You can identify? Yes. If you can identify, write in the chat box. किस किसको समझ में आया? आप लोग मम्मा पापा को बताओ वो क्या है वो? तो मम्मा पापा रिप्लाई देंगे टीचर को. ओके? टेल क्या है वो? यस, चैट बॉक्स में रिप्लाई चाहिए मुझे जल्दी जल्दी. What happened? Robot. Yes, very good, Ovi. Robot. So, robot. Robot. Yes. Now the next picture. What you can see? See? What you can see? Ring. Yes. Ring. So parents, इस तरीके से बच्चों को बहुत सारे objects होते हैं related letter R. You can show them and introduce the topic over here. So the sound of the letter R, the pictures, many pictures they will learn over here. Okay. Now we will see the next slide. Yes. Now how to write letter R. अब letter R कैसे लिखना है? Yes. How we have seen how to write letter Q and letter P? Yes. So in that way we will how to write letter R. First what we will do? We will give the books to the child. ये books में भी दिया गया है English के book में. आप वो book दीजिए and ask them to trace by drawing standing line. Okay. Tell them to draw P. Okay. Because the P topic is over. You can tell them to write P and draw one slanting line. So letter R will be formed. What is the sound? Ask them. Tell them to say and write. Okay. Here you can see standing line, curve, and slanting line. Which letter we have formed here? R. Okay. What is the sound? R. R. Rabbit. R. R. Rabbit. So, जब बच्चा writing करता है, you tell them to read and write what they are writing. Tell them to repeat it again and again. So, the concept of letter R and the sound they will learn. Now we will see. Yes. You can draw some easy pictures and ask them to find the objects hidden between and circle it. क्या करना है बच्चों को? इसमें से R letter के जो भी objects है, yes, tell them to find it and circle it. Now here, yes, you can see this is letter R. Teacher has done right. ये letter R से आता है. क्या है ये? Who will tell me what is this? Write in the chat box. क्या है वो? फास्ट बताओ मम्मा पापा को क्या है वो? पता है आप लोगों को? यस, टेलीविजन. ओके, सो नो प्रॉब्लम. इट इज अ टेलीविजन बिकॉज ये टेलीविजन पहले होती थी. यस, तो वो टी से साउंड से आता है. यस, टेलीविजन. नाउ तो वो लेटर आर से आया? नो. यस, वो लेटर आर से आया? नो. सो हियर सी व्हाट इज दिस? रॉकेट. यस, र रॉकेट. र rocket. Yes. Now here see which picture is this? Yes, rabbit. 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 Yes. Now, so in this way you can draw the pictures and ask them to find and circle the letter R pictures. Okay. You can draw some easy pictures over here and tell them to color in it. Okay, like here you can see rose, you can draw rabbit, you can draw rat and tell them to color it. So, the next is letter S. Which letter is here now? Letter S. Okay. So, what is the sound of letter S? Letter S का sound क्या है? Wait a second. The sound of letter S is do. Sun. Yes. Sun. See, where is sun? When you see sun, sun कभी दिखता है आपको? रात में दिखता है? Yes. You see sun at night? No, then in the morning. So what is the sound? Karo. Sun. Strawberry. Teacher has shown you strawberry. Yes. Strawberry. Sheep. Yes. Now which picture is next? What you can see here? Yes. Snake. Snake. Yes. Now what you can see here? Scissor. Yes. Scissor. You cut papers? Yes. Now which picture you can see here? Sheep. What is the sound of S? Sheep. Okay. Now अभी कौन सा पिक्चर रह गया यहाँ पर? Tell me which picture has left here? Yes. Write in the chat box. पिक्चर कौन सा? तो पिक्चर भूल गए ना? कौन सा पिक्चर था वो? Who will tell? चलो फास्ट. Yes, shark. Very good. Which picture we have left here? Shark. तो वो भी कौन से लेटर से आता है? Yes, as for shark. Shark. Yes, very good students. So parents, in this way you can show them the pictures, you can show them the objects which are available at home and tell them the sound of letter S so that the concept of and the sound of letter S will be clear to the child. Yes. Now how to write letter S? The S curve has completed. Yes, starting में ही हमारा S curve हो गया है. So tell them to write S curve by curve and another curve. Okay. Tell them to draw first curve. Okay. Then tell them to join that curve by another curve. तो कैसे ये letter S उनका cover हो जाएगा यहाँ पे. Okay. What is the sound of letter S? Yes. तो आप इस तरीके से बच्चों को राइटिंग के टाइम पे समझा सकते हो कि कैसे करना है, क्या करना है. नाउ द सम पिक्चर्स आर रिलेटेड टू लेटर एस एंड सम आर नॉट. यू कैन ड्रॉ लाइक दैट इन द चाइल्ड्स नोटबुक and tell them to find the pictures which are related to letter S and circle in it. Okay, now first, what is this? It's a umbrella. Yes, it's a umbrella. So umbrella आता है S से umbrella आता है? No. So we will see to the next picture. What is this? Star. Star. Yes, S से आया star. So star. Yes. Now sun. Sun आया? Sun. Yes. Slide. Yes. तो आप इस तरीके से बच्चों को बताकर इंट्रोड्यूस करवा सकते हो ताकि वो जो कॉन्सेप्ट है पिक्चर्स उनके माइंड में क्लियर हो जाएगा. Yes. You can draw some easy pictures over here and tell them to recognize the picture. What they have to do, they have to recognize the picture and correct the circle the correct letter. Okay, क्या करना है यहाँ पे बच्चों को पिक्चर्स recognize करना है और जो correct letter है उसे circle करना है. अभी यहाँ पे सारे letter S से है. Okay, you can give your different pictures related to different letters and ask them to circle the correct letter. Okay, now here you can see spider. New word has come, spider. What is this sound? Spider. Yes, हम लोग ने spider बोले ना. So what is the sound? जी से आया उसका sound? Yes, जी से आया ना. You ask them questions. They will say no. Spider. So what is the correct letter over here? What is the correct sound? S. So the child will learn to recognize it and find the correct letter and circle it. आप इस तरीके से कोई भी टॉपिक्स को कोई भी लेटर्स को ले सकते हो उनकी प्रैक्टिस. Now we will see letter T. Okay, I have shown the teddy bear. Yes, you can also show them the toys which are there with the child like truck, turtle भी होते छोटे छोटे. Yes, you can show them trees outside the house, table. तो कैसा बच्चों को ये सारी चीजें जब वो आंखों से देखेंगे तो ज्यादा समझ में आएगा उनको. Okay, and the sound of letter T is T. What is the sound of letter T? T. You have to repeat. Okay, T, truck. T, truck. Yes, T, truck. T, turtle. T, turtle. T, tree. Yes, you can see tree outside. T, tomato. You can show tomato also. Okay. Now T, table. T, teddy. What is remaining now? Yes. क्या रह गया अभी यहाँ पे? Tiger. Yes. T, tiger. Where we find tiger? हम लोग टाइगर रोड पे देखते हैं ना. Yes. No. Then in the forest. तो आप इस तरीके से बच्चों को पिक्चर्स बताकर उन्हें क्वेश्चनिंग करके उनसे रिप्लाई ले सकते हो ताकि कैसे बच्चों को वो कॉन्सेप्ट क्लियर हो जाए. नाउ हाउ टू राइट लेटर T. It's very easy to write letter T. Tell them to trace the line by drawing sleeping line and standing line. How to write sleeping line and standing line? Sleeping line, standing line. Which letter we have formed here? Letter T. What is the sound? T. T. Tiger. Yes, T. Tiger. And which letter we have written? Letter T. Okay. So आप इस तरीके से बच्चों की प्रैक्टिस ले सकते हो राइटिंग की. उन्हें ट्रेस करने दीजिए. Now you can draw some easy pictures and tell them to recognize it and circle the correct picture. Okay, now here you can see bus. तो बस आता है, टी से आया बस, ट बस, no, then b bus. So the child will learn the previous topics also and the current topic which they are learning, they will know that also. Here, what is this? Tomato, tomato. Yes. Now here, what is this? Train. What is this? Train, train. And turtle. तो आप यहाँ पे कुछ भी इजी पिक्चर्स बच्चों को देकर एक्स्ट्रा प्रैक्टिस बच्चों की करवा सकते हो. Now, like a game, you can tell the child to do the homework. आप गेम के थ्रू भी इनका ये सारा करवा सकते हो प्रैक्टिस. Like here you can see tortoise, yes, turtle, and the pond. Yes, parents, you can see here turtle and pond. See, turtle is here and pond is here. Now the turtle wants to go to the pond. अभी turtle को pond के पास जाना है, तो हमें क्या करना है? We have to circle all the letter T and find a way. Turtle के लिए हमें way बनाना है. So we will find. See, this is letter T. Yes. Now this is letter T. Yes. This is letter T. You can ask to your child, ये letter T है? They will say no. Then which letter? Letter I. तो आप इस तरीके से उन्हें पूछ कर उनसे रिप्लाई ले सकते हो. तो बच्चों का लेटर टी का कॉन्सेप्ट क्लियर हो जाएगा. आप इसी तरीके से सारे लेटर्स की प्रैक्टिस ले सकते हो. नाउ हाउ टू राइट लेटर्स इन द 4 लाइन बाय डॉट्स. ओके, draw 3 dots. Okay, what we have to do, we have to draw 3 dots. Wait a second. Okay, so how to write? Give them 3 dots. Okay, what we have to give? We have to give them 3 dots, red to blue line. Okay, red to blue line. 1, 2 and 3. 1, 2 and 3. Okay, and tell them to draw letter P. To write first letter P. Standing line, curve and slanting line. Yes, letter R we have got here. Standing line, curve. We have drawn P and tell them to join with slanting line. Okay, letter R. Now how to write letter S? Give them 2 dots. How many dots? 2 dots. Yes, and tell them to draw the S curve. Because S curve has completed, tell them to draw S curve. So the S letter will be get cover here. Now how to write letter T? Give them 2 dots on the red line, okay, and 1 dot in the blue line, and tell them to draw sleeping line, join the sleep dot 2 dot, and tell them to join by standing line. The letter T will be formed over here. Okay, तो यहाँ पे बच्चों का राइटिंग प्रैक्टिस भी हो जाएगा बुक में, and they will easily learn how to join the dots and form a letter using the strokes. Thank you, parents. Thank you, parents, for your precious time. I hope the topic and the sounds of the letters has been clear over here. If you have any queries, you can unmute yourself and you can ask me.